going for a gear easy enough.
Yep.
Fucking brilliant.
We've got clutch pedal, everything's working fine.
And it's running, because we want to take it for a run now to check it.
There you go. Everything's driving as normal. It's got clutch pedal, clutch pedal's not even sticking or anything anymore.
Put your lights on, guys.
Hold on. Oh, so it should come on. Yeah, you right? Yeah, on. Everything's fine. We've got clutch pedal and everything. Yep. Going through all the gears fine. Clutch pedal's fine, brakes fine, everything is just spot on. So 100% it definitely, that problem is not there now. Yeah, everything's working fine.